Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTut, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. If you are just starting out and wondering where to begin learning artificial intelligence, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to walk you through 5 beginner-friendly AI courses that don't require a background in coding or math. These are great for students, working professionals, or anyone curious about what AI actually is and how to start learning it. So let's get started. The first one is a quick course by Google called Introduction to AI. Honestly, if you just want to know what AI really is, how it works in a basic way, and what it does well and what it doesn't, this is a perfect starting point. It takes around an hour to complete and it's very light. You will go through short videos, a couple of readings, and a few small tasks. And the best part, you will also get a feel for things like machine learning and generative AI without any pressure. If you are new to this or know someone who is curious but not ready for the complex stuff, I would recommend starting here. Now, if you are ready for something a little more hands-on, the second course is on Coursera, also called Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This one goes much deeper. It walks you through machine learning, deep learning, and even generative AI like ChatGPT. You will get to try out some real use cases like how AI is used in businesses, content creation, or even healthcare. Plus, there is a small project at the end to apply what you have learned. It's around 10 hours a week for 1 week, but you can go at your own pace. I have gone through parts of this course myself, and it's generally helpful for building a strong foundation. Course 3 is something I think everyone should try, especially now. It's about prompt engineering. If you have been using tools like ChatGPT, you might already know that how you write a prompt can completely change the output. This course teaches you how to write better prompts, ask better questions, and guide the AI in smarter ways. You will learn some interesting techniques like chain of thought and tree of thought. Don't worry, they are not hard. And it's not just about text. You will also explore how to guide image generation models too. If you are curious about how to use AI properly, this is a fun and very useful one. Now, if you are from a non tech background, the next one is perfect. It's called AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. This course is more about the real world side of AI, how it affects business, jobs, and how you can work with AI teams even if you're not writing code yourself. It explains terms like neural networks and deep learning in a very simple way. Even my non tech friends found this one useful. I love how this course shows that AI is not just for engineers. Whether you are in HR, marketing, or operations, this course helps you understand how AI fits into your role. Alright, the fifth course is for those who want something more in depth and are curious about the business side of AI. This course runs for about 6 weeks and it covers a lot machine learning, automation, generative AI, and even ethical issues in AI systems. You will also explore how companies use AI for productivity, automation, and even business strategies. If you are someone who enjoys digging deeper or you are thinking about using AI in your startup, job, or research, this course will give you plenty of insight and direction. So, here is a quick recap. If you're short on time and want a basic intro, start with Google's Introduction to AI. If you want a real learning experience, go for Coursera's Intro to AI. If you want to use ChatGPT like a pro, try prompt engineering basics. If you are from a non-tech background, AI for Everyone will make you feel at home. And if you want to understand how AI powers businesses, check out the full AI course. Before you go, you can take all these courses for free. Just click the link in the description. Click Enroll for free button, then click Audit This Course. You will see it below the paid option. And that's it. You will get full access, no payment needed. It means you won't get an official certificate unless you pay, but you will still get access to all the lessons, videos, and materials. So you can learn everything for free. All the course links are in the description. You can check them out. And let me know in the comments which one are you starting with. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.